Hello and welcome back to Bitcoin Dorks, your daily source for the latest news in the world of cryptocurrency. Today we'll be discussing the recent surge in the floor price of the Trump NFT following the indictment news. As you may know, NFTs have been all the rage recently, with unique digital assets selling for millions of dollars at auction. The Trump NFT, which features a cartoonish image of former President Donald Trump, was recently put up for sale on various NFT marketplaces. Initially, the Trump NFT had a floor price of around 0.1 ETH, which is equivalent to around $250 at the time of this recording. However, the recent news of the indictment of Trump's business organization has caused a surge in demand for the NFT, with the floor price skyrocketing to over 2 ETH, or around $5,000. This surge in demand for the Trump NFT can be attributed to the unique nature of the NFT market, where collectors are willing to pay exorbitant amounts for rare and unique digital assets. The news of the indictment has likely caused collectors to view the Trump NFT as a potentially valuable and rare piece of history. It's worth noting that the Trump NFT is not the only NFT to experience a surge in value following recent news events. For example, an NFT depicting the viral disaster girl meme recently sold for nearly $500,000 despite having a much lower initial floor price. The world of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, has been exploding lately, with all sorts of digital art and collectibles being sold for exorbitant sums of money. One recent example is a collection of NFTs featuring former US President Donald Trump, which saw its floor price surge after news of his indictment. The NFT collection, called The First 1000 Days, features various images of Trump throughout his presidency. The collection was created by an anonymous artist who goes by the name Fantasy Teddy. The NFTs were being sold on the OpenSea marketplace, with the floor price starting at 0.5 ETH, roughly $1,500 at the time. However, after news broke of Trump's indictment by the Manhattan District Attorney's Office, the floor price for the NFT surged to 2 ETH, approximately $6,000. The indictment charges Trump's company, the Trump Organization, with a 15-year-long tax fraud scheme. The Trump NFTs are just one example of how NFTs are being used to capitalize on current events and political turmoil. Some artists and creators are using NFTs as a form of political commentary or satire, while others are simply looking to make a quick profit. Despite the controversy and speculation surrounding NFTs, they continue to grow in popularity and value. In fact, the overall market capitalization of NFTs hit an all-time high of $22.5 billion in August 2021, according to data from Non-fungible.com. NFTs are unique digital assets that are stored on a blockchain, which ensures their authenticity and ownership. This has made them popular among collectors and investors who see them as a way to invest in unique and valuable digital content. However, NFTs have also faced criticism for their environmental impact, as the energy consumption required to maintain blockchain networks can be significant. In addition, some have questioned the long-term value and viability of NFTs, as they are a relatively new and untested asset class. Despite these concerns, the popularity of NFTs continues to grow, with more and more artists and creators turning to them as a way to monetize their digital content. It remains to be seen whether NFTs will continue to be a lasting and valuable asset class, or if they will fade away as just another passing trend. In the meantime, the Trump NFTs serve as a reminder of the power of NFTs to capitalize on current events and political turmoil. As the world becomes more interconnected and digital, it's likely that NFTs will continue to play a role in how we buy, sell, and own unique digital content. One thing is clear, though: the NFT market is still in its early stages, and there is a lot of potential for growth and innovation in the coming years. As more artists, musicians, and other creators embrace NFTs as a means of monetizing their work, we can expect to see more unique and interesting projects emerge in the space. For those who are interested in participating in the NFT market, there are a few key things to keep in mind. First, it is important to understand the technology behind NFTs and how they work. This includes understanding the different blockchain platforms that are used to create and trade NFTs, as well as the unique features and capabilities of each platform. It is also important to be aware of the different types of NFTs that are available, including those that represent unique pieces of art or other creative works, as well as those that represent ownership or participation in specific projects or platforms. In fact, some experts believe that the recent news events surrounding Trump's business organization could have a wider impact on the financial industry as a whole. The indictment has raised concerns about the stability of the banking system, as many of the charges relate to alleged financial crimes. The Trump NFT floor price surge on indictment news is just one example of the many exciting and unpredictable developments that are taking place in the world of NFTs. As the market continues to evolve and grow, it will be interesting to see what other innovative and creative projects emerge, and how the market as a whole continues to evolve. This instability in the banking system could potentially lead investors to seek out alternative investments such as cryptocurrencies and NFTs. It's also worth noting that many people view cryptocurrencies as a potential hedge against inflation and economic instability, which could further drive demand for digital assets in the coming months. In conclusion, the recent surge in the floor price of the Trump NFT is just one example of the unique and often unpredictable nature of the NFT market. While it's impossible to predict where the market will go next, it's clear that NFTs are here to stay and will likely play an increasingly important role in the world of digital art and collectibles. We'll be sure to keep you updated on any new developments in the NFT world. So be sure to subscribe to Bitcoin Dorks for the latest news and analysis.